What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are down at our main shop here. If you saw a couple of my last videos, you know we just picked up this 10-foot Tenco plow up in Albany, and the reason we grabbed this is to throw it on this new yellow Terrastar. This Terrastar came, actually, did I say 9 foot? That's a 10-foot plow. I don't know if I said 9 or 10, but that's a 10-foot plow. This is a 9-foot Wausau plow, and it's a bit more of a lightweight plow, and it's obviously smaller than the Tenco. So Rodrigo is just going to spin that around so I can drop this yellow plow right up here. We're going to keep it up there for now. We're not sure exactly what we're going to do for it. It might be for sale, or it might just go into storage for now. We don't really know what we're going to do, but we are going to take it off and get this Tenco thrown on it. I don't know what he's doing. It needs to face the other way. But anyway, let's pull this truck in and get this Wausau plow off of here. It is a lot nicer pulling trucks in with the smaller plow, I'll tell you that. Throw our pump on, spin that straight. Okay, back it up just a hair. All right, let's go get this plow off of here. All right, guys, we got this Tenco plow thrown on this truck, and it looks much better on here than the blue plow. Maybe just because it's black and yellow, that goes together, but it's also a bigger plow and doesn't look as small. We do have a couple little repairs we have to make before this thing is ready to go. There is a dripping fitting there. We don't know if it's loose or if it's broken. We haven't even looked at it. We just noticed the drip, and then we also have to adjust this cable lift. Obviously there's way too much slack in it to lift it with how it's set up. So we got a couple little repairs to make, but by the end of this video this thing will be working.
Where'd my boy Anthony go? Home already?
No, we were
outside.
We moved a little bit.
He likes working in here.
Yeah.
Keep him with you then.
Okay. Nice.
stay solid. I think the up and down and the left and right work separately. Like if you pull the trigger before the light's solid, whatever you try doing is locked out. But if you do the left and right after, because the light's now solid, it will work, but the up and down won't work.
So you have to wait for it to.
It flashes and then it goes solid.
Okay.
But
once it's solid.
yeah, but it was I must have pulled down to lift the plow, right?
Yep.
While it was flashing, and then it didn't work, and then it was solid, the left and right starts working, but the up and down is locked out.
Yeah, so maybe it does lock it out.
Yeah, but it's off one joystick.
So you have to just tell Adam,
He's gonna be running this?
yeah, this will be out of the truck.
Well, it works pretty good.
No wing, yeah, right, no wing on it, boom, perfect.
All right, guys, the plow is on. Everything is working perfect. Rodrigo went around and shortened up the cables here, and it is pretty much ideal now. This is just the extra chain here. It's not actually lifting off two spots. It's lifting just off the center there. But this plow looks much better on this truck than the blue one that was on it. This is going to be a very nice setup for the guy that is running it. Hopefully we don't run into any issues with the salt spreader. Obviously we haven't run it with any salt in there yet, but overall it is in pretty good condition. So not many changes needed to be done on this truck in order to make it pretty much exactly how we need it. The guy that is running this truck is not a fan of wing plows, so we're not even going to worry about putting one on it. If there is a heavy storm and he needs some help, we could send one of the guys into his route that does have a wing. Every other truck that we have out in this village has a wing on it, so no issue there. But I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.